select Developer, select Visual Basic, right-click VBA project and select Insert UserForm. Insert Label 1 and change caption. Right-click this workbook, select View Code. From the Object drop-down list, select Workbook and type UserForm 1.show. Right-click UserForm, select View Code. From the Object drop-down, select UserForm. From the Procedure drop-down, select Activate. And type application dot on time now plus time value in our case it is gonna be 6 seconds. Comma, and in here type remove form. Right click VBA project, select insert module and in here type sub remove form. And in here type onload UserForm 1. Let's save it. And let's test it.